We have discussed the story that how the central character Nathu expresses his disappointment to his friend Sitaram. Sitaram then conveys the same message to his customer, Mrs. Srinivastava. Srinivastava then passes that information to Mrs. Bhushan, and then Kamal Kishore, Deep Chand, and the whole village. And they all bring the bank down. So it is a fall of the bank. So the story starts with Nathu and ends with the Nathu. Now let us discuss some important questions. Who was Nathu? Number one, who was Nathu or who is Nathu? With reference to the story, the boy who broke the bank. Nathu is the main character in the story, the boy who broke the bank. He is sweeper boy. He is working as a sweeper boy in the People Nagar bank in People Nagar village. Question number two, who is Sitaram? Sitaram is washerman's son and friend of Nathu. What does Sitaram tell Mrs. Srivastava? There is a mention in the story that Nathu અને સીતારામ બંને એમની વાતચીત પૂરી થઈ જાય પછી સીતારામ જે છે એના ડિલિવરી રાઉન્ડ ઉપર હોય છે. He goes to the fourth house and the fourth house is of Mrs. Srivastava. So what does Sitaram tell Mrs. Srivastava? Sitaram tells Mrs. Srivastava that he has heard from his friend that the bank is not paying salary on time. So they assume that the bank is in a bad way. And people start then speculating about the bank. What would have happened? The problem is that people who hear this news from the another, but they do not filter this news. Nobody took uh, thought to go to the bank and decide and to talk to the manager or the other people that what is the reality. The news that they have heard that the bank is not paying salary or is it in a bad condition. So nobody took the toil of to find out the truth. And they just took it granted. Whatever they heard, they took it for granted and they thought that, oh my God, they all were frightened that we have account in the bank and we should immediately withdraw the money as soon as possible. So Question is that what does Sitaram tell Mrs. Srivastav? So Sitaram tells Mrs. Srivastav that bank is in a bad condition. What he said was that the bank is not paying salary to his friend Natu, and therefore he wants to leave that job. Earlier, Mrs. Srivastav has put proposal that she wants a sweeper boy, and Sitaram tells that I have my friend who is working in the bank, and bank people are not paying salary, and therefore he is not willing to work there. He wants to resign. So next month he can join in your house. Mrs. Srivastav says, now read this sentence very carefully. Mrs. Srivastav says that I heard a complaint from their sweeper. Okay, Mrs. Srivastav, when she meets Mrs. Bhushan under a tree, Amrit tree, Mrs. Srivastav says that I had a complaint from their sweeper. Was it a correct understanding of what the sweeper had said? It is not, because Mrs. Srivastav heard this news from the Sitaram and not directly from the sweeper boy, that is Natu. So it is a false statement here by Mrs. Srivastav. And see, this is how they contributed to make this news turn into rumor. How does Mrs. Bhushan interpret Mrs. Srivastav's statement? Now that is the thing. See, Mrs. Srivastav mentions that the problem is with the sweeper boy. Sweeper boy told me that he is not getting salary, and here Mrs. Bhushan then thought that they might not be giving salary to other people too. Mrs. Bhushan interprets what she understands. She understands that if they are not paying to his sweeper boy, then they might not be paying other people too, other employees in the bank. That was her interpretation. And why does Mr. Kishore speak to Dipchand? Now, Mr. Kishore is the owner of photographic shop, and Dipchand is the barber. Mr. Kishore, when he hears this news that the bank is in a bad condition, it is about to collapse, Mr. Kishore was frightened. Mr. Kishore was asked by the Mrs. Bhushan that has he account in the bank. Mr. Kishore has no account in the bank, but what he told that his friend Dipchand has account. And this is the reason, after hearing this in a collapse of bank, he immediately goes to Dipchand and tells him that the bank is about to collapse. Dipchand, you get back your money as soon as possible. So why does Mr. Kishore speak to Dipchand? Because of this, to pass on the information about the collapse of the bank. And we know the incident. Dipchand was busy with one customer, and the customer was also frightened after hearing this, and he ran immediately to the merchant shop where he dialed number 2, Govind Singh, Govind Ram, sir, the set. But he was holidaying in Kashmir. Why does the elderly gentleman rush to the general merchant store? Because he has account. The elderly gentleman whose ear was nicked by the Dipchand. The elderly gentleman rushed to the general merchant store because he wanted to dial number of Seth Govind Singh. He wanted to talk to Seth Govind Singh. And according to him, what had Seth Govind Ram done? Seth Govind Ram has flown. He is no more in the village. So he heard the news that the bird has flown, means he is passing his holidays time in the Kashmir. Question number 8. How does the rumor spread from the photographer's shop? Okay, from Mrs. Srivastav, then Mrs. Bhushan, and then the photographer shop Kamal Kishore. Now Kamal Kishore goes to Dipchand to That news goes to gentleman, and gentleman to merchant shop, and then beetle seller, jeweler, vendor, beggar, and everybody in the village. What is interesting about the beggar? Now there is a beggar, very interesting character, whose name is Ganpat, and Ganpat, he has a crook leg, twisted leg, so he is unable to walk. He is handicapped. Every day somebody would come in the morning and at the evening time to take him at home with the barrow, wheelchair. He never walked. Nobody in the village saw him walking. But after hearing this news about the bank, he started running at the top speed. He was not walking towards the bank, but he was running, that too even at the top speed, and he made everybody astonished, surprised. People were surprised after looking, the effort of the beggar, that he knows how to run, and people then came to know that he has also 1,000 rupees in his saving. So the beggar has also account in the bank. So that is interesting about this beggar, old Ganpat. How does the manager try to handle the angry customers? Now manager was harassed. Manager was horrified. Manager was entire pressure was on the manager because Govindram, the owner of the bank, was far away from the contact. There was no means that no who can contact to the owner. So now it was manager's responsibility to placate the situation, to pacify the situation, to handle the people, and people were angry. All people in a mass gathered outside the bank, asking for the withdrawal of their money. Now manager tries to placate the situation, to convince the people, to entice people, to coax people that please understand, it is no means to get back your money immediately. And he requests people that please come tomorrow. Bank has plenty of money. Okay, it is a small bank, so there was a scanty situation. Money was not enough, and he could bring the emergency fund from another bank, but that another bank was 30 miles away. So he puts request before the angry people, the frenzy people, that please you don't do in hurry, don't be angry. There is nothing wrong with the bank, and you please do come. You come tomorrow. So slowly and gradually we can do the things. At the same time, all together it is impossible. So manager has expressed his in a request form, but people did not agree. People were not ready to come tomorrow. They wanted their money now at that point. So that is what was done by the manager. So the manager tried to convince people come tomorrow. People were not ready to listen him. What do people imagine about Seth Govindram? Now people somewhere at the cross, at the bazaar, at the market, they were gathered and they were imagining, they were speculating, they were manipulating the story about the Govindram. Somebody said that he has gone out of the state. Somebody said that he has gone out of the country. Somebody said that he has not gone anywhere. He is inside the his house. He has hidden himself. He is in the village. Somebody said that he is inside the bank, in the locker. So these are the imagination about the Seth Govindram, the owner of the bank. Who or what really breaks the bank? That is the real matter. You can think to yourself. Now, according to me, if I say it is the fault of the Seth Govindram, the owner, being a leader of a particular institution or a particular group, it is his responsibility to look after the people working under him very well. So there was a gap in a communication. It is called miscommunication, that he could not understand the condition of the sweeper board. He should have understood the condition of the employees on a time, that are they happy, are they doing their work honestly, properly, is there any problem with them. You can equate this situation with the Munnabai MBBS movie, where Sanjay Dutt understands that is called the sympathy, that you feel the sadness the unhappiness of the other people. That is where Seth Govindram failed. Seth Govindram, being a leader, he should be sympathetic person. Sympathy is also one part of communication. How can you leave your employee disappointed who is working in your own institution? So he should have, taken time and consulted with this. That is what we should learn. That we should have, see what happened. He neglected his employees, and the reason is that the bank collapsed. Bank would have endured, for the future any longer time, but because of this poor communication skill, poor communication in the sense that you should understand the people's situation, condition. Otherwise, you will have to pay for it, and that is what happened with the Seth Govindram. He had to pay. His entire bank fell down, and it is he who is responsible behind it. It was not the fault of the Nathu. Nathu just expressed his disappointment with his friend, and Nathu then passed this to Sitaram, and Sitaram also just passed this information just to Mrs. Srinivasam. And slowly and gradually, this information took the form of the rumor and spread throughout the village. We can also not blame the people of the village because they thought, without thinking, they just took it granted, and they, without thinking seriously on the matter or taking the toil of knowing the reality, they just took it, understood it, and they were wanted that money back immediately, because they did not want to take any risk. They thought that the bank is about to collapse, bank is in a bad situation. They, for their safety, they wanted to bring, back their money, withdraw their money as early as possible. So there, in their, side, people were only wanted to do one thing, and that is to withdraw their money. They were not ready to listen to anybody. And even the problem was that the Seth was not available at that time. Seth was outside, far away, and there was no contact. That incident also, accelerated this entire situation, the trauma, the havoc, chaos in the village. So this is the story, very interesting. It is about the communication, miscommunication. It is about the sympathy to understand people's condition. And if you fail to do so, look at this show story. What are the bad consequences that we have to suffer along with other people? Now, friends, let us discuss MCQ questions from all the stories, collectively 3 short stories together. So we will discuss some questions, more than 40 questions, 40 MCQ questions that are going to be asked in that particular form in your examination. In the coming examination, you have MCQ. So pay attention for a while. We will discuss those questions. Now you have to answer in your chat box. Those who know the answer, then we shall begin with the Virger in a sequence. Virger, then my financial career, and then at the last we will look at the story, the boy who broke the bank. Where was St. Peter's Church located? You have to write the name in a word. Norton Square, Naval Square, Natal Square, none of the above. What is the answer? You all attending right now session are requested to answer this question. Very good. So it is Naval Square. Very good. Naval Square. Good. Then, what was the name of the Virger in the St. Peter's Church? Right name, Albert Edward Foreman, very good. Shweta, Mega, Vishal, right name, not ABCD. Okay, it is Albert Edward Foreman, who is the verger working in the St. Peter's Church. Next question, Albert Edward. Okay, Edward. At what age did the verger begin working? This is not question that for how long he has been working. It is different question. At what age he started his work? 12, 13, 14, 15. Earlier he had done, as a servant, page boy, footman, butler. So it is 12. He had started his work at the age of 12. What did the verger want to buy while walking in the street? Ice cream, cold drink, tea, and cigarette. FAG, fact. What he wants to buy? Answer in your chat box. It is cigarettes. Very good. He wanted to. Now he is not a regular smoker, and therefore cigarettes are not available in his pocket. So he wanted to purchase it from the outside shop, but he failed. There was no shop available selling cigarettes. Then he understood the situation and thought of opening his own shop selling cigarettes, and he became tobacconist. Very good. So the cigarette just wanted to get relaxation. Therefore, he wanted to purchase cigarette. Okay, who were in the vestry beside the verger and the vicar? Okay, verger and vicar. Apart from these two, who were there in the vestry, in the meeting room? Answer in the chat box. It is church wardens. Very good. Yes. These church wardens. Very good. They were also as old as working there in the church as long as the verger, around 16 years. Who is Albert Edward Foreman? Vicar, verger, church warden, policeman. Who is he? A verger. Very good. Who is the author of the verger? Stephen Leacock, Ruskin Bond, Somerset Maugham, O. Henry. Very good. It is Somerset Maugham. What does the word verger mean? Illiterate, clergyman, poet, caretaker. He is caretaker. Very good. How long has Albert Edward working at his job? How long he has been working? 16. How can you forget? It is 16. He has been working at his job for 16 years. He started working, at the age of 12, but he has worked in this particular church for 16 years. Where does the verger work? Police station, garden, church, or school? Church. Very good. What was the verger's gown made of? Wool, perennial gold, perennial bronze, perennial silver? It is bronze. Very good. Daniel bronze. Daniel bronze. What is a vestry? Yes, very good. Meeting room. Where has the new vicar come from in the Berger? South end, north end, west end, east end. It is east end, east end. East end is the correct answer. Answer is east end. New vicar has come from east end, eastern part of England. What weakness does Albert Edward Foreman have? Very good. He has illiteracy. What kind of a new business was set up by the merger? New business, tobacconist. Very good. Story My Financial Career. Chalo, second story is written by Stephen Lecoq. Very good. Which story recounts the narrator's painfully embarrassing experience in a bank? Embarrassing, very frightened experience, terrible experience. It is My Financial Career. Very good. What rattles the narrator when he goes into a bank? What makes nervous? Rattle means make worry. Read this question carefully. Read this question carefully. Everything answer is D. The clerks, windows at the counter, sight of money, all. Answer is all of the above. The clouds, windows, sight of money. The narrator's salary had been raised to how much in My Financial Career? 56. Very good. 56. $56. Who was a grave means serious, who was a serious and a calm man in the story My Financial Career? Grave and calm man. It was the manager. Manager was grave and calm. The manager looked at the narrator and felt that read carefully and answer. Yes, very good. Answer is both. Narrator said, I want to deposit. How much? 56. Yes, $56. Narrator's idea was to draw how much? 6. 6 for present use. What are you drawing all amount out? Who said this? It is clerk. It is clerk. Clerk was doing the exchange. The narrator had written ચેકબુકમાં કેટલા લખ્યા વિથડ્રો સ્લિપમાં ક્લર્ક manager has written 56. He wanted to write 6 but he has written by mistake 56. All the clerks had stopped writing to look at the narrator. Is it true? What is your answer? It is true, yes. Narrator took amount in 50s, 60s, both or none. Read it carefully and answer. Both, very good. Wanted to open a bank account because why he wanted to open bank account? His salary had been raised. Very good. Narrator keeps his money in cash in his blank and his savings in silver dollars in blank. What is your answer? He keeps his money in cash in trouser pocket and sock. Okay, second. Pocket and sock, yes. Okay, now let us come back to now our just we finished the boy who broke the bank. Who is this sweeper boy? It is Nathu. Very good. Who is the owner of People Nagar Bank? Who is owner of the People Nagar Bank? Govind Ram. Who is the beggar who had twisted leg? It is Ganpati, yes. Kamal Kishore owns saloon, photographic shop, grocery shop, clothes shop. Photographic shop. Said Holi doing where? Kashmir. Author? The boy who broke the bank. Who is the author? Ruskin Bond. Who is the friend of Mrs. Srivastav? Mrs. Bhushan. Who is the hairdresser? Dipchand, Kamal Kishore, Gopal Chand. Dipchand. Who of the following has not received last month's salary from the bank? It is Nathu. To whom did Sitaram talk about Nathu? Sitaram કોની સાથે વાત કરી? Mrs. Srinivastav, yes. Which shop was just next to photography shop? બાજુમાં કઈ દુકાન હતી? Yes, it is barber shop. Whom did Dipchand call a bird? Bird has flown. It is Govindram. The story The Boy Who Broke the Bank is about truth, rumor, assertive skill, good experience. It is about rumor. Who was the last to know about the People Nagar Bank going bankrupt? Who was the last person at last who comes to know the collapse of the bank? It was Nathu. So it starts with him, ends with him, and he was the last person to know. Hooligan mean છેલ્લે એન્ડમાં વર્ડ આવે છે ને hooligan's. સેલરી વધારતા નથી, કામ વધારી દે છે. It is troublemaker, yes. Thank you. So these are the very most IMP questions, and very nice. You are very confident. I think unit number 3, your short stories are very clear to you. So okay. Now time is over. Thank you. Have a nice day. Write down your roll number. If you have question, you can ask. So here we complete the unit number 3. Whole unit we complete here. એક જ વાર બધા નંબર લખજો. માર્મિક દવે ભાઈ 19 એક જ વાર લખવાનું છે.